Concept 1. How to find the cube root for, cube root for. Two concepts we'll discuss. How to find the cube root for. First one, perfect cube. How to find the cube root for perfect cube. B, non-perfect cube. Non-perfect cube. We discussed in the last class how to find the square root for a perfect square and a perfect cube. Some questions write down. Cube root of 1728, cube root of 3375, cube root of, for example, we'll take 1, 1, 2, 4864, 1, 1, 2, 048, 064, cube root of 1728, cube root of 3375, cube root of 112, 04864. One more question. Cube root of 68921. 68921. Very, very important class. Cube the root of 1728, cube the root of 3375, cube the root of 112, 048064, cube the root of 68921. First two are first and third I will solve, second and fourth you need to solve. In this one, write down some examples. Cube the root of 13, cube the root of 67, cube the root of 137. Cube the root of 13, cube the root of 67 and cube the root of 137. Cube the root of 137. Now the first question arises, which logic to use? How to check whether a number is a, same thing we did it in for a square root. Square root we did for a perfect square and a perfect non-perfect square. Perfect cube we will do and a non-perfect cube we will do. Side heading write down. Perfect cube. Listen very carefully, sir. Perfect cube. Please write down. Perfect cube. Prime, that is one way. We will discuss some other way. How to find out the cube root of a perfect cube, non-perfect cube. Non-perfect cube. Same thing, last class we are discussing square root of a perfect square and a non-perfect square. Now, perfect cube. Perfect cube. Very, very interesting concept it is. Perfect cube. What exactly we mean by a perfect cube? You take a number n multiplied by itself, it is a perfect square. Multiply any natural number 3 times, then it becomes a perfect cube. You take any number, multiply it by 3 times, it is a perfect cube. Multiply it by 3 times, it is a perfect cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 cube. 2 cube is a perfect cube. 2 cube is a perfect cube. Take any number, multiply it by 3 times. Multiply it by 3 times, it is a perfect cube. If I take 2 cube, same number if I multiply by 3 times, 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube. A power m 3 plus 3 plus 9. It is a perfect cube. Any number if I multiply it 3 times, any number if I multiply 3 times, it is a perfect cube. It is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Cube means power should be. First property. Second one, perfect cube. Perfect cube. Power should be divisible by 3. Power should be divisible by 3. One is a perfect square, one is a perfect cube, right? Except one. One is a perfect square, one is a perfect cube, one is a fourth power. Perfect cube means power should be divisible by 3. Power should be divisible by 3. Okay. Example. Is 2 power 13, is it a perfect cube or not? Is 2 power 13. Power is 13. Is 13 divisible by 3? 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. It is a non-perfect cube. It is a non-perfect cube. 5 power 24. What is power, Rayans? 24. Is 24 divisible by 3? It is a perfect cube. It is a perfect cube. A perfect cube is a number which is multiplied by itself 3 times. If it is multiplied by itself 2 times, then it is a perfect square. If a number is multiplied by itself 3 times, it is a perfect cube. The important property of a perfect cube is power should be divisible by 3. Power should be divisible by 3. One is a perfect square, one is a perfect cube, so on and so forth. Perfect cube. Next property. Listen very carefully. In the class, somebody tell me, a perfect square never ends with which all unit digits? 2, 3, 7 or 8. We will write down that one. We will connect the dots. Perfect square never ends with, I will connect these dots. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. We already know this. From this we will connect the dots. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Now listen. You take any unit, any number. You take any number. Unit digit of a number will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First listen, very interesting. These are all the possible unit digits of any natural number. 0 cube is 0, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, 27, 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4, 64, 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5, 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729. Right hand side are the unit digits of the resultant. You might say that, sir, finding beyond it is a little tough. 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343. No need to do it. I will connect these dots. See, listen carefully. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Identify 2 in the left hand side. Identify 3 in the left hand side. Identify 7 in the left hand side. Identify 8 in the left hand side. Only these numbers on cube, right hand side value is different. Remaining all are same. 0 cube 0, 1 cube 1, 4 cube 4, 5 cube 5, 6 cube 6, 9 cube 9. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Only these 2, 3, 7 or 8. On cube I will get a different number. What exactly it is the number? It is actually 10 minus this number. What is 10 minus 2? 8. What is 10 minus 3? 7. 10 minus 7? 3. What is 10 minus 8? 2. Please write down. You don't need to do the cube of a number. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. I wrote all the possible unit digits of a number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Every time I cube it, only these 2, 3, 7 are right. Cube answer right hand side is different. Rest all are same. How to find out these right hand side different number? 10 minus unit digit. 10 minus 2 is 8. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. Online students, I hope it is very much clear. Maitri, I hope it is clear. Govind, Ajay, right? Other students, I hope the idea it is very much clear. If it is clear to you, reply with yes. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7, right? There is a link between perfect square and perfect cube. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7, right? Only these 2, 3, 7 are 8. On cube, I am getting a different number. When you are writing it, analyze and write it. Analyze and write it. Venkatramana, I hope it is clear. Yes. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Other number 0 cube 0, 1 cube 1, 4 cube 4, 5 cube 5, 6 cube 6, 9 cube 9. Unit digits for 2 cube will be 10 minus 2 8, 10 minus 3 7, 10 minus 7 3, 10 minus 8 2, 10 minus 8 2. You write down in the language you understood it. You write down in the language you understood it. Very, very important concept. Today's class and tomorrow's class are the most important classes. LCM and HCF is the high frequency topic. 2 cube 8, 3 cube 7, 7 cube 3, 8 cube 2. It's clear? This is the first concept. Now let's go back. Cube the root of 1728, cube the root of 3375, cube the root of 112048064, cube the root of 68921. Now see here. Step number 1. One more concept. We did the same in perfect square. Priyansh. Start from rightmost. Keep a slash after 3 digits. How many group of 3 digits are there? Answer will contain that many digits. In square root, what we did? Take a slash after 2 digits. How many group of 2 digits are there? That many. 728 is a 3 digit format. Slash. 1 can be written as 001. Slash. Answer contains 2 digits because there are 2 groups of maximum 3 digits. Here, keep a slash after 3 digits. 375 is one group of 3 digits. 3 can be written as 003. Answer contains 2 digits. Bigger number, this concept will be useful. How many groups of 3 digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Answer contains slash. Group of 3 digits, 68 can be written as 068. How many groups of maximum 3 digits are there? That answer will have 1 slash. Please write down in the way you understood it. That will help us not in determining the answer, but in telling us how many digits answer will have. How many digits answer will have. If you want to know how many digits answer will have for a cube root of a perfect cube, cube root of a perfect cube, this is the logic that we need to follow. This is the logic we need to follow. This is the logic we need to follow. I hope the idea is clear. How do we find the number of digits of a perfect cube? How do we find the number of digits of a perfect cube? Idea clear? Now, how do we find this number also? We will see. Now, First and third I will solve, you solve second and fourth. Single step, 5 seconds approach. Now see, 5 seconds, just by looking at the question you will tell. Which number on cube I will get 8? We discussed 2 cube is 8. Or in 10 minus 8 is 2. Very good. 5 means only 2, 3, 7 are right. Otherwise it will be 5. 4 means it is again 4. 1 means again 1. Unit digit, it is clear. Now before slash, these 1 lie between which 2 cubes? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. What is the smallest number? 1. Answer is 2. 3 lies between, okay, I am doing 3 lies between which 2 numbers? 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8. What is the smallest number? 1. The root of 1, 1, 2, 4, 8, 6, 4. 3 digits again. Now it will be clear. It is cube the root of 1, 1, 2. 4, 8, 6, 4. Yes, Maitri. Third one. No, I will do it. I will do it for you. Keep asking doubts. Fourth one clear? 6, 8, 9. Yes, 10 minus 8, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. Only for 2, 3, 7 or 8. On cube it is 10 minus. Remaining all unit digit it is same. That is what we discussed. Remaining all it is same. Only for this 10 minus 2, 10 minus 3, 10 minus 7, 10 minus 8. Here we wrote 0, that is the reason confusion. Maitri, I will do it for you. Third one again I will do it. Left side of the slash, right side of the slash. Square root, last 2 digits we did it. For this, there are 2 to 3 techniques. If answer options are there, that also we will discuss. Fourth one. Now practice some questions. Practice some questions. Question. Now 1 minute. I will discuss the doubt asked by Maitri. 1, 1, 2, 4, 8, 6, 4. Yes, I will repeat it. Cube the root of 1, 1, 2, 4, 8, 6, 4. Step number 1. Start from the rightmost. Keep a slash after 3 digits. 8, 6, 4, 1 slash, 1, 2, 4. 1 can be written as 0, 0, 1. Answer will have 3 digits. Step number 2. 4 cube it is 4. So here it is 4. After this first slash, what is this number? 1124 or 1124. 10 cube it is 1000. 11 cube it is 1331. This is lying between these two. Take the smallest number. What is the smallest number? 100. Maitri, clear? 112. The confusion came because I inserted 0 in hurry. Cube the root of 1124864. Please solve these questions. Cube the root of. I hope this idea it is clear. Cube the root of, for example, 2197. Try to solve. Yes. Cube the root of 2197. Make it fast. Cube the root of 2197. 13. Yes. Cube the root of 2197. It is 13. Keep a slash after 3 digits. This should take 5 seconds. 7 means 10 minus 7, 3. 2 lies between 1 cube 1 and 2 cube 8. Take the smallest number. So answer for this question is 30. Answer for this question is 30. Cube the root of 4096. Tell it orally. 4096. Unit digit 4096. 6 is ending with 6. 6. 4 lies between which two numbers? 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8. So answer is 16. Please write down. Answer is 16. Cube the root of 4096. Cube the root of 4096. Is it clear? Now, we took a bigger number, 1124864. How to tell the answer as 104 whole cube? We will discuss another concept. Please write down. Riyansh, clear? Cube the root of 4096, it is 16. Clear, ma? Maitri, Govind, Venkatramana, everybody clear, right? Answer for this question is 16. Now write down. Concept 2. Concept 2. This is a specific technique. Concept 2. This is a specific technique. Specific technique. What do you mean by specific techniques? It is applied for certain specific numbers. Specific technique. What is that specific thing for this? How to find the cube of a number. How to find the cube of a number with a condition. How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power k. I will tell you. It can be, good doubt, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 100, 1000, 10,000. K is a natural number, ma. How to find the cube of a number nearer to 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4. It is a little advanced level concept. Once you understand, you can tell the answer orally. Concept goes like this. First write down b plus x whole cube. It is given as b plus 3x slash 3x square slash x cube. I will explain from where it is derived. If b is of the form 10 power k, last two places will have k digits. I will explain it. This is a little 9th class concept. Last two places, it has k digits. Last two places, it has k digits. B plus x, first write down as it is. B plus x whole cube. Answer directly it is b plus 3x slash 3x square slash x cube. It is nothing but a plus b whole cube only. But instead of a, how much it is? B. Instead of b, it is x. It is a condensed version of a plus b whole cube. Listen, sir, how directly you will get the answer. We will do 6 to 7 examples. 102 whole cube. First listen. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 power 3. B plus x power 3. First step is b is 100, x is 2. B plus 3x, 100 plus 3 into 2. First step clear? Next one, 3x square, 3 into 2 square. Next step, 2 cube. 2 cube. 100 plus 6 is 106. 4 3s are 12. 2 cube it is 8. 100 it is 10 square. 10 square means if the power is 2, last two places 2 digits it should be. 8 in a 2-digit format is 08. 12 as it is. And it is 106. Answer is 106 12 08. Again I am repeating. If b is of the form 10 power k, whatever power is there, k value, this place and this place will have k digits. 100 is 10 square. Last two places 2-digit format. 8 in a 2-digit format is 08. 12 is already in a 2-digit format. I wrote like this. Remaining as it is. 1 minute. 104 whole cube. Can you try it out orally? 104 means how much it will be? 100 plus 4. So 100 plus 4 whole cube. 100 plus 3 into 4, 112. Dipti. 112, it is clear. B plus 3x. 3x square. 3 into 4 square. 16 3s are 48. 4 cube, 64. 100 it is 10 square. Last two places should be in a 2-digit format. 64 as it is, 48 as it is. Answer is 1124864. You asked me a question. How will you check whether it is? This is the, because you asked, I explained this.
So if the power is like, for example, 3, we should take 3 digits.
3 digits. Now, good question. Now see here. Good. Now see, all the online students see here. Try to say this answer orally. 1002 whole cube. It is actually easy if you know this approach. 1000, this will become, how much it will be? 1000 plus 2, this can be done orally. 1000 plus 2 power 3. Riyansh, okay? B plus 3x. 1000 plus 3 into 2. 1006. These 1006. 3x square. 3 into 2 square. Next it will be 2 cube. Are you all with me? So,
How did the 2 come there, sir?
1002 is 1000 plus 2.
Sir,
B,
I forgot to tell you, but my parents had to come 1 hour already from class. So was very
8 o'clock you can go. Okay. 1006. 4 3s are 12. You ask me a question. 1000 is 10 power 3. Last two places 3 digits. 12 in 3-digit format 012. 8 in a 3-digit format 008. Please write down. I want you to use pen. What is the first step?
100 plus 3.
Into 3. B plus 3x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
103 whole cube is 100 plus 3 whole cube. B plus 3x. 3 3s are 9. 3x square. X is this value. 3 into 3 square. Next is 3 cube. 100 plus 9 is 109. 9 3s are 27. 3 cube is also 27. 100 is 10 square. Last two places 2 digits. 27 is 2 digit. 27 is also 2 digit. So answer is 1092727. Still we have taken little more time. Now 1 minute. I still.
Examples.
Okay, example I will. Now I will make it little tricky. 98 whole cube.
100 minus
100. Now listen carefully. Everybody listen, sir. 100 minus. Here you will get confusion. 100 minus 2 cube. B plus 3x. 100 plus 3 into minus 2. Yes or no? Next is 3x square. Next is x cube. Here there will be a confusion. 100 minus 6 is 94. Minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 3s are 12. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. If I cube a positive number, I got a negative number. Negative we have to convert. Simple. Take 1 carry. 1 is carried on a base of 100. Value is 100. 100 minus 8 is 92. 12, 1 is taken out, 11. And it is as it is. 100 is 10 square. Last two places 2 digits. 11 is 2 digit, 92 is 2 digits. 941192. Again I am repeating second time. Listen. First step, it should not be a problem to you. 100 minus 6 is 94. 3 into minus 2 square. 4 3s are 12. Minus 2 cube minus 8. I got a negative number, but I am cubing a positive number. Negative should be converted into positive. I will take 1 carry from the before place. 1 is carried on a base how much? 100. So 100 minus 8 is 92. 12, 1 is taken out. What is remaining? 11. 941192. 1 minute. Right? Now, one student is asking, in place of 3 you kept. Where is in place of 3 I kept 9? It is b plus 3x. b 100 plus 3 into 3. 100 plus 3 into 3. Right. Now, 1 minute. You will get a doubt, but we have to 996 whole cube. That is the reason I said, if you take A99 B6, the complexity will grow. So this will become 1000 minus 4 power 3. This will become b plus 3x. Next it is 3x square, and next it is x cube. Till here, any doubts? Okay. Now, 1000 minus 12, it is 988. Minus 4 whole square, 16. 16 3s are 48. Minus 4 cube, it is minus 64. Last class I told you, squares and cubes you need to remember. This is where, if you remember, you will do it quickly. 988, 48 minus 64. If I am cubing a positive number, I will not get a negative number. 1 is carried. 1 is carried on a base how much? 1000. 1000 minus 64 is 936. 48 1 carried is 47. This is as it is, 988. 1000 means 10 power 3. Last two places 3 digits. 936 3 digits. 47 in a 3 digit is 047. Remaining is written like this, 988 047 936. Now my cubed root of 13 is nearer to cubed root of 8. 2 plus 13, 8 difference is 5. 3 into 2 square. Just scroll down. My 3, Govind, Ajay, everybody. Is this idea clear? What are we discussing? Cube root of a non-perfect cube. Cube root of a non-perfect cube. Cube root of a LCM stands for least common multiple. Least common multiple. Listen carefully, then I will take all your doubts. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Everybody please listen. LCM stands for least common multiple. Concepts. 6 to 8 concepts are there. We will see one by one. Concept 1. Now see. First listen. Let me listen. Let me take 2 random natural numbers. I am taking 6. I am taking 9. So, this is example 1. 6 and 9. Now 6 into 9. First thing, we will read the heading. Least common multiples. First write down the multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. And so on. Next, write down the multiples of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. And so on. Read this word. First, I wrote all multiples. Then take the common multiple. Least is smallest. LCM of 6 and 9 is, if you see here, there is 36. Here, 18 is present here, 18 is present. 36 is present here, 36 is present. Out of so many common numbers, take the smallest one. Least means take the smallest one. LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. LCM of 6 and 9. This is the definition method. But we will not use this method. Definition. Again I am repeating. 6. All the multiples of 6 I wrote. 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes are, 6 fours are, like that. All the multiples of 9 I wrote. Then I took the number which is common in both. 18 is common in both. 36 is common in both. Least means smallest. What is smallest among 18, 36? 80. Write down 80. We will not use this approach. This is for our understanding of the keyword least common multiple. As the keyword suggests, take the multiples of every number, take the common multiples and take the smallest.
Sir, for bigger numbers.
That we will discuss. First write as it is. Till 6 to 7 concepts are there. Hold all your doubts, keep it in your notebook. One by one I will close all your doubts. 45 minutes of good concept understanding, everything will be clear. LCM, least common multiple. For every number, write down the multiples. What are the common numbers? Write it. Least is smallest. Least is smallest. Smallest common multiple. Least common multiple. I am just trying to tell you the meaning of that word, least common multiple. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Least common multiple. Now listen. As you rightly said, smaller numbers I can take multiples. If the numbers are big, 127, 342, like that. Suppose I will tell you, suppose if the question is like this, 42, 63, 231, writing 42 multiples, 63 multiples, 231 multiples is very challenging. That is the reason we will not use that method. Are you all with me? That is for our understanding. Now method 1. Method 1. Write down. Method 1. In an order we will discuss. Method 1. Method 1. 5 problems I will solve it on the left hand side. 5 you will do it on the right hand side. Method 1. First one. LCM of 10, 30. Write down as it is. By the time the class is over, you should get a very good clarity. 18, 54. LCM of 20, 60. LCM of 40, 50, 200. LCM of 10, 30, 18, 54, 20, 60, 40, 50, 200. Listen very carefully. Whatever I am teaching, you will not find it in the regular textbooks. Listen very carefully. 1 minute. Listen. Step number 1. Whenever you are finding LCM, attack first the highest number. Always attack with the highest number. LCM always will be greater than the highest number or equal to highest number. LCM always attack the highest number. Step number 1. 30 I am attacking. 54 I am attacking. 60 and 200 I am attacking. Now see, LCM means first look at the largest number. Second step, check it out whether other number divides these largest number. 10 threes are 30, it divides. If it is perfectly dividing, largest number is the answer. Check the largest number, 54. What is the other number? 18. What is 18 threes are? 54. Perfectly divides. Largest number is the answer. Here largest number is 60. 23s are 60. Largest number is the answer. Largest number is 200. 45s are 200. 54s are 200. Largest number is dividing all the other numbers. Largest number, if it is getting divided by other numbers, largest number is the answer.
So if any numbers are there, that highest number should be divisible.
It will be divisible. What if it is not divisible? That is method 2. Suppose if it is LCM of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What is the largest number? 32. 16 2s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 2 16s are 32. 1 anyway will divide every number. 1 minute, hold on. Write in the same order only. 15, 30, 90. What will be the answer? Tell me.
So 90.
Yes. 15, 30, 90. 90 is the largest number. 15 6 are 90, 33s are 90. 90. Everybody look at it, sir. Please tell me this answer. 9, 36, 90. What will be the answer? Louder.
So 90.
9, 36, 90. 9 10s are 90. We will take 30 instead of 36. That I will discuss in multiple methods. 33s are 90. What is the answer? 90. Online students, I hope the idea it is clear. Method 1 is, if the largest number is getting divided by all the other numbers, largest number is the LCM. Please write down. Largest number is the LCM. Huh? AC. AC reduce. All online students kindly reply. Till 6 methods are over, write in the same order. Always when you are doing LCM, attack the largest number. Attack the largest number. Maitri, Govind, Ajay, other students, kindly reply if the idea it is very much clear. Everybody kindly reply. Write in the same order whatever I am mentioning. You will not get a single doubt in LCM. Largest number, if it is getting divided by every other number, largest number is the LCM. Largest number is the LCM. I will give you 100 problems for practice by Monday evening. So that LCM and HCF, very important topic. Any exam you take, this will come. Method 1 clear?
Sir, but in the exams, like when they give word problems, we should show.
Yes, that word problems also we will discuss. Application of LCM in word problems, that is a part of our discussion. I will discuss. When to use LCM, when to use HCF, why we should use LCM, everything we will discuss.
Sir, but in choose the correct option, we can use this.
Choose the correct option, you can solve the question in 5 seconds, I will tell you a shortcut. That is why I kept this question. See, this is how we are going to discuss. Definition, basic foundation level problems, intermediate level problems, advanced level problems, and exam model questions. We will go slowly. Method 1 over. Method 2, please write down. Method 2. Which method to use? It will come with practice. Method 2. LCM of, I will keep explaining one by one problem. Method 2. Please write down the first question. LCM of 4, 6. LCM of 4, 6. Listen. First method, listen, then you can write. First method, we should always attack which number? Highest number. I went to the highest number, 6. Is 6 divisible by 4? If the largest number is not divisible by the other number, now see, take the multiples of the largest number. 6 is not divisible by 4. Multiple, it is 6 2s are 12. Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes. So answer for this question is 12. 12. That means it proves the fact that LCM can be equivalent to highest number or can be greater than highest number. Sai, am I right? In this case, it is equivalent to highest number. In this case, it is greater than highest number. LCM is always greater than or equivalent to highest number. LCM is always greater than or equivalent to highest number. LCM of 8, 12. 8.
12, 24.
Yes.
So it will be
Yes.
24 is not.
20. 12 is not divisible by 8. Take the next multiple of 24. 12, which is 24. 24. Third one, LCM of 30, 40. LCM of 30, 40. You tell me, largest number,
Sir,
40.
when we take a multiple of 40, it comes 80. Then
No, go to the next multiple. 42s are 80. 80 is not divisible by 3. Go to the next multiple, 120. 120 is 34s. 120. It is not necessarily the second multiple. Keep taking multiple where it will get divided. Learn in the same order, there will be no confusion. LCM means attack the largest number. If the largest number is not divisible by other numbers, take the multiples. Take the multiples. Fourth one, LCM of 10, 20, 30. Only attack the largest number. LCM of 10, 20, 30. See here, attack the largest number, 30. 30 is 10 3s are 30. All the numbers should divide.
60.
Yes, next it is 20 is not dividing 30. 60. 10 6s are 60, 23s are 60. Answer is 60. Largest number, either it can be perfectly divisible or it is not divisible. Or it is not divisible. Fifth one, LCM of 20, 25. 20, 25. 25 is 21 not divisible. Next 25 2s are 50. 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. 100 is divisible by 20. 100.
So maybe the multiples can hold the answer can go to
Yes,
anywhere.
that is where method 2 is not the best method. Sometimes you are going deep down, which is taking little time. Now, side heading right down. Anil Nair shortcut. This is where you can simplify the problem. Anil Nair's shortcut. You don't need to spend so much time. We will discuss a unique method. Anil Nair's shortcut. How to...
Created this.
I derived it, not created. When you solve 100 problems, you will find an approach. Now see here. Listen carefully. There is a box. The name of the box is LCM. It performs some operation. You are giving some inputs to this box. Some operation is performed and it will give an output. This, let me call it as O by P, output. Input, I called it as IP, input. One interesting observation is there. Suppose LCM of 9, 12 it is there. Listen carefully. LCM of 9, 12. If I go by the previous approach, 12 is not divisible by 9. Multiple of 12 is 24. 24 is not divisible by 9. 12 3s are 36. 36 is divisible by 9. Answer is 36. Two important observation. Listen carefully. In this question, if you take an input, one number, input one number, digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum is also 9. Yes or no? Let me take one more example. LCM of 9, 9, for example, 15. 15 is not divisible. 30 is not divisible. 45 is divisible. 45. Input one number, digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum also 9. I will tell it in further. Input one number, 12 is divisible by 4. Answer also it is divisible by 4. Input one number, it is divisible by 5. Answer also it is divisible by 5. In input, if at least one number, in input, if at least one number is divisible by k, output that will also be divisible by k. At least one number, see here. One minute, let me complete. LCM of 4, 6. Input one number, it is divisible by 4. Answer is also divisible by 4. Another way to look at it. Input one number, it is divisible by 3. 6 is 2 into 3. Answer also it is divisible by 3. Input one number, it is divisible by 3. Answer also it is divisible by 3. Input one number, it is divisible by 10. Answer also it is divisible by 10. Input one number, it is divisible by 3. Answer also it is divisible by 3. Most important concept. When you are doing an LCM operation, input, if it is at least one number, minimum one number, it is divisible by k. You asked me what is k. K can be any natural number. I took here it is divisible by 4. 4 is k here. I took in this case it is divisible by 9. Answer also it is 9. K can be anything that you take it. Please write down that point. Please write down in your notes. Put a star mark. I'll. While performing LCM, very important. Please write down. While performing LCM, if one number it is divisible by k in input, output also be divisible by k. If one number, at least one number, if it is divisible by k, answer will also be divisible by k. At least one number, if it is divisible by k, answer will also be divisible by k. Sai clear? Dripti clear? Input, online students, I hope the idea it is clear. If input, if it is divisible by k, at least one number, minimum one number, we will solve some of the toughest questions which takes 2 to 5 minutes in less than 10 seconds. Everybody reply in case if it is clear to you or ask your doubt. 1 minute, we did not discuss the problems. Hold on. 1 minute pause. Please write this line. When we are doing problems, you will understand. Everybody kindly reply. We will do 5 to 6 problems. How to make use of this beautiful concept while solving the problems. Please write down as it is. Of 36, 48. Don't jump and do the conclusion. Immediately, input one number. Input one number. Tell me, Sai, what is the digital sum of this number? 9. Input one number. Digital sum is 9. Output also digital sum should be 9. Digital sum should be 9. 4 plus 8, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. Not possible. 9 plus 6, 15. Not possible. Digital sum. LCM is always greater than or equivalent to highest number. Did we discuss this concept? That means answer should be greater than or equivalent to 48. Finish. Answer is 144. Please write down. You understood the approach?
Yes, sir. Here the digital sum is 9. Here also the
9, but LCM should always be greater than or equivalent to highest number. That's how you solve the questions orally.
Should we write this?
Yes. LCM of 36, 48. What is the shortcut for this question? Input one number, digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should also be 9. 48 digital sum is not 9. 96 digital sum is not 9. C and D digital sum is 9. LCM is always greater than or equivalent to highest number. That means answer should be greater than or equivalent to 48. It cannot be 36. This is how you score maximum. Idea clear? Clear? Now with this, slowly we will discuss LCM of 36, 48. Now see. Tell me this answer. Look at it and tell me which answers are not possible. LCM of 48, 60, 80. LCM should always be greater than or equivalent to highest number.
So C is
So,
not possible.
B is not possible, C is not possible. Why B is not possible? 80 should be divisible by 60. We discussed it right in method 2. Largest number, that will be the answer only when it is divisible. But 80 is not divisible by 60. 80 is out, 480, 48 it is out.
So the A option is also.
Now, A option is a, what is the definition? Least common multiple, smallest. Let me take with 240. See here. One number, it is divisible by 3. These also divisible by 3. One number, it is divisible by 4. Last 2 digits 40, it is also divisible by 4. One number, it is divisible by 10. It is also divisible by 10. Smallest, it is 240. Answer is 240.
So but the digital sum, the digital sum also we will get the same answer.
Digital, only one logic I discussed in digital sum. That is for 9. Input digital sum, if it is 9, answer digital sum will be 9. Here no number digital sum, it is 9. Are you all with me? 1 minute, 1 minute. Is the idea clear? To answer your question, see here. Now you will understand. Tell me the answer. I will put a timer. 1 minute to take. Try to answer that question. What can be the answer for this question? Online students, you also answer. Find the LCM of 72, 140. By using shortcut, tell me the answer. Ajay is telling B. Any other students? Any other answer options? LCM of 72, 140. C, you are telling. Any answers? Maitri, any Govind, Venkatramana, any answers? Any answers? 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is actually an easy question. Now see here. LCM of 72. Input one number. Digital sum, it is 9. Am I right? 7 plus 2, it is 9. Output digital sum should also be 9. Yes or no? Which answer option digital sum is 9? 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15, it is 6. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. It is not possible. So answer can be this or this. Next, 140. It is 720, sir. Am I right? 7 into 2 is 14. That means input one number, it is divisible by 7. Output should also be divisible by 7. Which option is divisible by 7? 7 3s are 21, 42. 7 6s are 42. Yes. Little bit practice. First step, I think, second step only you are doubtful. 72 digital sum is 9. Input digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. These A is out, D is out. 140. I told you one concept. Input one number. If it is divisible by K, output will also be divisible by K. 140, it is divisible by 7. Which option is divisible by 7? That option tick mark. Please write down. 72 digital sum is 9. Input one number digital sum is 9. Answer should also be 9. Digital sum. A, it is 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. It is 6. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 7. No. This is not possible. This is not possible. 72 I did right. Let me go to the next number. 140 is 7 into 20. Input one number divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. 7 3s are 21. 4 42. 7 6s are 42. Shall I give the next question, everyone? It's a lot of practice is required. You will be very fast compared to others. 2520. Idea clear? Now. Next. Shall I give the next question, everyone? Here I am again giving you 1 minute time. Please be very quick. Or since it is, I'll give you 2 minutes. Please try not to use pen. Can you use my methods and tell the answer? LCM of 42, 63, 231. This you should be able to solve. See the question, you will get an idea. Any digital sum can it be used? Anywhere 9 is you are getting? C. Online students. Ajay is telling C. Other students. Govind is telling C. I think this is a easy, straightforward question. Straightforward question. C. You understood that logic. What is the logic? Yes. Everybody got? Maitri, what is your answer? Now see. Now, input, see here. Input 63, digital sum is 9.
Sir, all option answers are
Different.
visible.
Yes. Output digital sum should be 9. This is not 9. Not 9. 14, this is also not 9. Answer is 1386. 1386.
Sir, but the first number is the input, right? The second number,
All three numbers are input. I told multiple. You remember? I said any numbers. Multiple arrows I kept. Now see. Now can we do this and tell which all answers may not be possible? See here. You can also say in a different way. See here. 68 is it divisible by 4? 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. Answer, it is divisible by 4. But input, none of the numbers are divisible by 4. Or 63, it is divisible by 3. Yes or no? 63, it is divisible by 3. This is not divisible by 3. Yes or no? You can do it. Now, let me see. Again, 1 minute time. Like this, you keep a timer and solve the problem. You will get.
Sir, today I could not do that now, sir. Due to me, I kept a timer.
Now you solve. Again 1 minute. I know I am stressing you out. 1 minute it is. You generally take 2 to 3 minutes. Think and tell me the answer.
Sir, A.
Hmm?
A.
Is there any other option with the digital sum 9?
Sir, B.
You are stuck. Time is moving out. 30 seconds over. Like this only you should write exams. What is the answer?
Sir, A.
B.
B. Let us see. Now see. Any answers? Students are saying A and C. First thing, input one number is divisible by 10. 40 is 4 into 10. Answer should be divisible by 10. Any number which is divisible by 10, unit digit will be 0. B is out. Now you got the answer. 36 it is divisible by 9. And digital sum it is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. This cannot be 9. This cannot be 9. This, once you are stuck, either do the before number or after number, you will get a logic. Are you all with me?
The highest number and
Right. Got the logic? You want to write it? Please write it. This, if you ask your classmates, they will do the factorization method.
so let me try it.
Yes.
Not tomorrow, please take.
LCM of 32, 36, 40. Please understand and write it. One more question for practice. That is the reason you should attend all these shortcuts course so that you will get mastery over mathematics. Please write it. One more question we will solve. Tomorrow's class also don't miss it. Shall I give next problem?
Yes, sir.
Now this is, I will give you 3 minutes to solve because it's an original exam question. Original Olympiad question. Wantonly I kept it. Let me see who will solve it. Tell this answer. It's not easy as it looks like. You can write in your notebook and solve. What could be the answer?
Sir, A, C or D, sir?
No, you write down, you scribble, you do pen pushing. Online students, please tell me the answer. I will not tell the answer till the timer is over. Original question, be very, very careful. Wantedly multiple options I gave digital sum same.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think maybe it's D.
D, you are saying D. We have another 1 minute 25 seconds. Like this, keep a timer in front of when you are solving DPP. That will give a lot of practice. Ajay is telling B. Any other answers? Any answers? Most likely you will be stuck between two options. Which all options you are stuck? D and?
I'm getting 162.81. So.
Yes. So, answer for this question is, what do you think is the answer?
Sir, D.
What do you think? Answer is D. Very good. Answer is D. First step. 108. Digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9.
So the A, C, D.
Answer digital sum should be 9. This is not 9. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1. Next one. Here 108 is 4 into 27. That means input T is divisible by 4. Input T is divisible by 4. Output should also be divisible by 4. 50 is not divisible by 4. Last two digits it is 50. 50 is not divisible. As you rightly said, 162 is 81 twos are. Input one number, it is divisible by 81. This is divisible by 81. These are not divisible. Please write down. This is an original Olympiad question. Please write down. Answer for this question is D. Answer for this question is D. Tomorrow also we will do similarly a lot of HCF problems using shortcut tricks. LCM of 108, 135 and 162. Step number 1. Input one number, digital sum is 9. So option C, digital sum is not 9. Input one number is divisible by 81. Option 1620 is divisible by 81. 180 is divisible by 4. Input one number is divisible by 4. Answer should also be divisible by 4. Answer should also be divisible by 4.